In this video, we're going to demo the knowledge base application, and we'll cover setting up categories, configuring permissions, as well as creating and editing articles. The knowledge base application acts as a centralized resource for your users to quickly access information, akin to company handbooks. It's designed to be a self-service repository, reducing the need for staff members to constantly speak to managers or team leaders about how-to guides, business requirements, or processes. For example, a user might need to know about well-being and wellness in the workplace, or how to request a leave of absence. Instead of asking a colleague, the knowledge base provides a readily available resource, empowering employees to find answers independently and very quickly. Claromentis also uses the knowledge base application on the Discover platform to provide user guides and informative video content on how to set up and manage your digital workplace. The knowledge base articles can be organized via various categories, and these will need to be set up first before you can add articles. To set up a new category, you'll need to be an application administrator of knowledge base. Categories are managed centrally in Admin, Knowledge Base. Here you'll be able to see a list of all existing categories. You can create a new category by clicking on the Add New Category button. When setting up a new category, you'll define if it has a parent category, meaning it will sit within an existing category as a subcategory, as well as the name and description. Permissions are defined per category. With these permissions, there are multiple layers of permissions you can choose from, which range from view-only rights all the way up to full publish rights. You can enable certain users or groups to simply create and edit an article, but not be able to publish it. Those with Publish an Article permissions will be able to review the drafts of other articles submitted by other users and will be waiting for approval. Submitted drafts appear in the application landing area. Within each category, you can designate category experts. These individuals have specific abilities. They can answer questions posted within their assigned category. They can also endorse articles, which is indicated by an endorse tag next to the article title. This endorsement signifies that the article is informative and useful. You can also configure categories to allow category experts to respond to questions, ensuring that answers to sensitive or definitive topics come from verified, well-informed sources. Users can also subscribe to entire categories to receive notifications about any news articles or questions posted within them. Articles are the main body of the content within the knowledge base application. Let's walk through how to create one. From the knowledge base landing page, simply click the plus button to begin a new article. Remember, articles are only created from the front end of the application, not the admin side. You'll then fill in several key details, including the language, title, category, and tags which improve searchability. The description is the main body of the article, and there's a checkbox to enable commenting. Finally, you'll need to set the status of your article to draft, publish, or archive. If you have publish rights, the publish option will be available to you, and you'll be able to make the article live immediately to all those with view permissions. If you only have create rights, you'll only see the save option, and your article will be submitted for review by users with publish rights in that category. Articles can later be edited from the front end if you have the appropriate permissions. The next steps for your team. Review your current knowledge base categories to ensure that the correct content creators and administrators have permission to edit and add articles. Try creating and editing articles. Identify your team's knowledge base administrators and encourage them to take our dedicated knowledge base e-learning course on Claromentis University, which is available on our Discover portal.